is Nobuko's kitchen. I'd like to introduce today is the menu, the potato salad. My potato salad is the one point is a very unique one. I would like to use to the frozen potatoes. So, and we use to the half-boiled egg, olive oil, mayonnaise, and mustard, and some the special items, chili powder, and this is my chef's recommend dry parsley. And the last one, he so recommend powdered cheese. So let's make it. Here we go. Okay, so we start to heat up to the potatoes. This one put into the microwave or air fryer 3 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so during to the heat up the potatoes, mix the sauce, mayonnaise, mustard. We mix, just put it into like this. Looks yummy. Okay, that's it. Okay, so the next step. So potato already heat up. So we put on the big salt and there are peppers. Like this. Next one is pepper. Okay, already. So I put into this bowl in the potatoes. So please careful, this tray is very hot right now. Okay, so next step, we put in the half boiled egg here. So, and next is just make the sauce. And the next one is olive oil here. Cheese. I like cheese, so I put into a lot. Too much? So next is the parsley powder. This is the chef recommend one because after this is the color is more brighter. And last items. Chili powder. Just few. And sometimes is you make to look like the party style. please add to the tomato and the ham also. Okay, alright, that's finish.
Thank you for watching. So enjoy for the easy potato salad. See you next time. Bye bye.